G'day folks, welcome back to Shotgun Versus. I know it's been a while since I put up a video, but I only do this part-time and the weather up here in Canada doesn't always play nice with my recording schedule. So today, what we're going to be looking at, in lieu of the holidays coming up and the number of people we're going to need to serve, paper plates. Now, a single paper plate isn't very thick, it isn't very sturdy. A lot of us go through them with our forks when we're eating, for Christ's sake. But this is a stack of 50 of them, so again we're looking at layers. Multiple layers equals more resistance. We haven't had a lot of success with layers in the past, with the exception of the duct tape, though I'm not sure anything can destroy duct tape at this point. But that being said, yeah, let's see if a nice big old stack of paper plates can actually stand up to birdshot. Well, that definitely sent it flying, but I don't know if we punched all the way through. Let's go take a look. Okay. You'll see this better on the analysis video and on the pictures I post, but the shot entered here. The bulk of the shot hit pretty dead center, with sparse shots all around. If we flip it over, because the shot was angled downward somewhat, it not only came out right in the middle here, but it split the paper plates open like an egg. And that's not even just the bulk of the shot. Like, there's probably 20 or 30 holes all over this plastic. It went right through, like a hot knife through butter. I can't say that I expected any different, but it's the level of devastation, which again, I'll show you in the analysis video. You won't be able to see it very well here. It's the level of devastation that really kind of surprises me. So yeah, point definitely goes to birdshot.